Hi guys, great to see you this morning. We're going to sing some songs and have a story. Have a great time today.
Jump, jump, jump into the light, light, light. Run, run, run away from what's not right. Jump, jump, jump out of the dark, dark, dark. Run to Jesus, give him your heart. Jump, jump, jump into the light, light, light. Run, run, run away from what's not right. Jump, jump, jump out of the dark, dark, dark. Run to Jesus, give him your heart. See, he's the light. He is the light. He is the light. He is the light. The light. He is the light. He is the light. He is the light. The light. Really big jump. Jump, jump, jump into the light, light, light. Run, run, run away from what's not right. Jump, jump, jump out of the dark, dark, dark. Run to Jesus, give him your heart. Let's jump again. Jump, jump, jump into the light, light, light. Run, run, run away from what's not right. Jump, jump, jump out of the dark, dark, dark. Run to Jesus, give him your heart. Sing, run to Jesus. Run to Jesus, give him your heart.
Hi kids, today we're going to be reading Bob the Bird from The Lost Sheep by Andrew McDonough. One day, Bob the Bird went to visit his friends. First, he flew to the farm to see Kevin the quail. "Come and see the farmer," said Kevin. "You won't believe it. He has sown his crop, but every day he worries. What if it doesn't rain? What if the plants don't grow? What if they don't have enough food for my family? Poor fellow, doesn't he have a Father in heaven, like the one who cares for the birds?" Bob said goodbye to Kevin and flew to town to see Penelope the pigeon. "Come and see the butcher," said Penelope. "You won't believe it. He says his sausages are all beef, but I've seen him fill them. They're half sawdust. Every day he worries. If I don't cut corners, I'll go broke. If I go broke, I'll lose my shop. If I lose my shop, I'll lose my reputation as a respectable businessman. Poor fellow, doesn't he have a Father in heaven, like the one who cares for the birds?" It was getting late, so Bob said goodbye to Penelope and flew off to visit his old friend, Ozzy the owl. "Come look at this," said Ozzy. "You won't believe it." She does an honest day's work, then stays up every night worrying. What if prices go up? What if my wages go down? What if I fall asleep and someone steals my money? Doesn't she have a Father in heaven, like the one who cares for the birds? The next day, Bob saw a crowd of worried people. He felt sad for them, because they didn't seem to have a Father in heaven who cared for them. But in the middle of the crowd was one man who looked happy. "Don't worry about your life," he said. "Don't worry about having something to eat or wear. Life is more than food and clothes. Look at the birds in the sky. They don't plant or harvest. They don't even store grain in barns. Yet your Father in heaven feeds them. Hooray! The people do have a Father in heaven who cares for them. If only they would believe it. So I just love this story because it reminds me that I don't have to worry about anything because God will look after me and all my needs.
Guess what? God loves you and He wants to be your friend. Guess what? God loves you and He wants to be your friend. Guess what? God loves you and He wants to be your friend. Guess what? God loves you and He wants to be your friend. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. When you're happy, God loves you and He wants to be your friend. When you're sad, God loves you and He wants to be your friend. When you're scared, God loves you and He wants to be your friend. When you're silly, God loves you and He wants to be your friend. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Guess what? God loves you and He wants to be your friend. Guess what? God loves you and He wants to be your friend. Guess what? God loves you and He wants to be your friend. Guess what? God loves you and He wants to be your friend. Let's lift up a shout of praise. I'm not supposed to do that.
Hi amazing kids! It's me again and my awesome bird Rosie. For this week's craft, we are going to make Bob the Bird. I think Rosie really likes this week's craft. Alrighty, let's get creative. Grab your yellow piece of paper, fold it into 3, and then place something round on top and trace around it. Once you have done that, it's time to cut out your circle and you'll end up with 3 circles. 1, 2, 3 yellow circles. Grab one of your yellow circles, fold it in half, glue one side and stick it to one side of your other circle. Then you'll need to turn it over and do the same on the other side. It will look like this. Grab a small piece of orange paper and fold it in half. Draw a triangle in the shape of a beak, cut it out and then glue it onto your bird's body. It will look like this. Time to draw on some eyes. One circle on that side. Another circle on that side. Draw a pattern just like this and cut it out for your tail. Glue your tail onto your Bob the Bird. Cut 2 pieces of string to make some dangly legs. You can have them as short or as long as you like. Once you've cut the string to the length you like, sticky tape one to either side of your Bob the Bird. And your bird is finished. He's pretty cute, isn't he? You might like to make some more birds so Bob the Bird could have some friends. You could do them all sorts of colours and decorate them however you like. I'd love to see a photo of you and your completed craft, so don't forget to ask your parents to upload a photo on our Imaginations Church Facebook page. Okay, I'll see you next week. Bye!